The business. What you say, Jenna?
Lose it without you. I can't help myself from thinking about you. And I know you feel the same.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Neicy and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video for you guys. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna call it, but it's real cute. And if y'all hear noise of the background, it's real windy outside, so y'all just gonna have to ignore that. But okay. But I'm not really sure what I'm gonna call this look. I tried to do something real colorful, but I didn't have the proper tools, so this is kind of what I came up with. I mean, it's kind of colorful because we got blue in it, but I was talking a lot of color. But if you guys have any suggestions of good like colorful palettes, please leave that in the comment section down below so that way I can do more creative looks. But I really like how this one came out. I mean, like I said, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna call it, but I hope you guys like this tutorial. I'm not really gonna do a talk through this one, but if you guys are interested in me doing more talk throughs, you leave that in the description box below. Or if you guys like these, just the music playing, then also leave that in the comments down below so that I know that you all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up so that I know that you liked it. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. What are you doing? Please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video.
Thinking about us, baby. I could be wrong, but it could be love. Just think about us, baby. Yeah, yeah. It's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes, so deep. What it's hard for you to deny. Like you need me in your life. Yeah, it's the way you're looking at me.
The business. What you say, Jenna?
Lose it without you. I can't help myself from thinking about you. And I know you feel the same. Something that I've been wanting to say. Yeah. What you think about us, baby? What you think about us, baby? What you think about us? I could be wrong, but it could be love. Just think about us, baby. Yeah, it's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes, so deep. What it's hard for you to deny. The fact you need me in your life. Yeah, called it. Knew I would end up falling. Maybe we could take it further than
What you say, Jada?
Lose it without you. I can't help myself from thinking about you. And I know you feel the same. Something that I've been wanting to say. Yeah. What you think about us, baby? What you think about us, baby? What you think about us? I could be wrong, but it could be love. What you think about us, baby? Yeah, it's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes, so deep. What it's hard for you to deny the fact you need me in your life. Yeah, called it. Knew I would end up falling. Baby, we could take it further than now. Tell you what I've been thinking about. Yeah, thinking about us, baby. I'm thinking about us, baby. I'm thinking about us. I could be wrong, but it could be love. Just think about us, baby. Yeah, yeah. It's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes, so deep. What it's hard for you to deny the fact you need me in your life. Yeah, it's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes, so deep. What it's hard for you to deny the fact you need me in your life. Think about us, baby. What you think about us, baby? I could be wrong, but it could be love. Just think about us, baby. Yeah.
The business. What you say, Jada?
Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. I really enjoyed doing this because first of all, I haven't done my makeup in a while, and I really enjoyed just playing with my makeup and seeing my creative skills. Even though this isn't something that's too hard, it's really pretty, and I hope that you guys like and enjoyed it. If you did, please do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot, and please subscribe. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below what you guys want to see next. That way the videos get better for you all, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.